but it's so much faster than the chainsaw. You can get through this stuff so much quicker. Any piece, you sharpen this hatchet up real sharp, it's like a razor blade, like cutting a hot knife through butter. Watch this branch right here. Done. That branch, over the top, done. Unless you have a really, really, really sharp axe, it's just faster to do it like this. I can at least pop it off and finish another day. That was weak. Ah! God. Left-handed, not so safe. I got that tree to trim up. This one's going to be a problem. Some of these need to be trimmed up. Doesn't look that big, but it's actually probably